afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The head teacher would like to see us in his office before we knock off.
Come in. Good afternoon, ladies and gents.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sorry to interrupt. I know we are about to knock off, but there's just one thing that I want you guys to do for me before we knock off. I've got this database. It's in, we've got grade 8, 4 classes, and grade 9's 4 classes. But it's a bit jumbled. So I want you to sort it out according to their classes. So if it's 8A, let it be 8A. If it's 8B, let it be 8B.
Okay.
Yes. So that's what I want you guys to do before you knock off. And that's in total we've got about 500 students. But I don't know how you're going to do it to sort out that.
But how soon do you need it, sir?
I need it today. I think right before you knock off, because I know this is 16:30.
We only have about 30 minutes before we knock off, and that's a lot of information to start doing.
I know, but I need your help. That's why I called you guys. I want you guys to do that at least within 30 minutes or 15 minutes.
Sir, why can't we do it next week?
No. The Debs wants that report now. I was supposed to tell you that in the morning, but I couldn't.
So is it workable?
Yes, as far I don't know, but just see what you can do. I also don't know. Minds are tight, so we can work together.
It's going to be tricky.
Well, I know, but we've got about 30 minutes.
Grade 8 and 9, we have about 500 plus pupils now
I
to sort
know,
out all that information.
So it's just from calling me right now, and there's nothing that I can do. So let's just work on that, then we knock off.
I think it's workable.
How?
We can use the pivot table.
Okay, what's the pivot table?
Hello everyone, my name is Aaron Zulu. I am going to introduce the pivot table that has been suggested by one of the teachers with regards to the assignments that have been given by the head teacher. The teacher suggested that they are going to use the pivot table, but we need to understand what the pivot table is. The pivot table is one of the applications which is found in the Microsoft Office package, Excel in particular. This application helps to sort information or data regardless of the amount of work that you are given. So I am going to explain to you, rather indicate or show how the pivot table is utilized. So let's see what we have to offer.
Let's take a look at the database that the teachers were given. As you can see on top there are those fields, and then the numbers from 1 up to 182. Those are the pupils in that okay, those school. Are the classes. Okay, 9B, 9D, 9A, jumbled. They are jumbled. I think you can see that they are jumbled. Next, you have to select the data starting from the fields on top. You select them. After you select them, what do you do next? You have to go on insert on top there, and then you find the pivot table. You click on it. Okay, then you look on the other side, you find the fields that you saw on the database. You get class, you put it on the rows down there. You get award, you put it on the values. Okay, so if you look on the pivot table, you'd find that it has changed. You rename the sheet as pivot table. Okay, so after you rename them, you come now to the first class, you double click on it, 8A, and that is what it will give you, the list for the students in 8A only. So you can find the total by getting the summation formula there, auto sum. You would find that 9,560 is the total for that class, which is equivalent to what is on the pivot table. So you come to that class, you rename it, that is 8A. You are done with 8A. Come to the second class, you double click on it. Okay, the total, what's the total for this? Okay, the total is giving us 6,280, which is the same on the pivot table. Okay, so we're done with that class. We rename it, that is 8B. Okay, we go on. Okay, that class has got how much allocated to it? 6,000. Okay, we move, we rename it, that is 8C. We go to the next class. Okay, those are few, as you can see. What's the total? 1,800, which is the same as what is on the pivot table. Okay, you rename that one 9A. You come again to the pivot table, click on that one, you find the total there. The total gives us 5,500, which is the same as what is on the pivot table. So you rename that one as 9B. Okay, you move to the next one, which is 9C. You can see the list of the students in 9C. What's the total? The total is 1,680, which is the same as what is on the pivot table. Okay, you rename it to 9C. Then you come to the 9D. 9D has got the total of the 1,980, which is the same as what is on the pivot table. Okay, you rename it also to 9D. Once you do that, you have finished all the classes that the teachers were allocated, and you can see that is our DB. So the work has been done just within 3 minutes and 55 seconds. So it is possible for the work to be done in the 5 minutes the teachers were given. Thank you so much.
Okay, so we are done now with the pivot table. We have seen how the pivot table is used. I think we saw the demonstration that I did. We had 82 students in that database, and we were able to sort out that data within 3 minutes 55 seconds, meaning that it is possible for the teachers to do that work they were given by the head in the stipulated time, even less than 5 minutes. So until next time, I was